Your cabinets came with information on care and maintenance. Refer to that information for cleaning instructions. Avoid putting anything under your cabinets that gives off heat or steam, like a coffee pot, slow cooker, or toaster. Make sure you pull small appliances out from underneath the cabinets when in use to prevent a buildup of moisture on the underside of the cabinet. You can raise and lower the shelves in your cabinet by simply moving the shelf tabs. Over time, you may notice an uneven space between your cabinet doors, or one door may be lower than the other. You can easily correct this by adjusting the hinges. You may need to do it a few times before you get the doors exactly the way you want them. We provide a cabinet touch-up kit with every home we build. It includes a wax crayon and marker that match the finish of your cabinets. If you find a small flaw, you can use the marker to touch up the area. The wax crayon is great for nail holes or dings. Both are simple and quick ways to keep your cabinets looking new. Your closet comes with a wire shelving configuration. This shelving can support up to 75 pounds between the supports.